Growing up, I would visit Iran. I was struck by how horrible the air pollution was. I couldn't even see the stars at night. And when I went to talk to my relatives about climate change, they didn't know anything about it. There was a lack of resources available in Farsi, which is Iran's native language. In terms of the 10 countries worst impacted by climate change, 9 of them are a majority non-English speaking. The climate movement was leaving people behind, and I decided to take action. Climate Cardinals is an international youth-led nonprofit working to make climate resources more accessible to people who don't speak English. Climate Cardinals very quickly went from being a small project to this huge, vibrant ecosystem of young people. We are made up of over 10,000 youth volunteers in 70 countries. We work by doing translations for professional organizations, and then they target communities that they know that those translations will be helpful for. We have translated over 1.5 million words of climate resources into over 100 different languages. Our mission always has been climate education first and foremost. No matter what language you speak or what country you come from, we all have the opportunity to be part of the climate solution.